I hope you guys can see me. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, guys. People are joining. People are joining. Happy new month, guys. It's a new month. I hope you guys are ready for the month. Good morning, Olatunji. Good morning, Peter. Good morning, Nura. Good morning, Pascal. Good morning, Daniel. I can see you guys in the comments section. So make sure to share. Pascal, put the link of the live stream on the chat box. I'll pin it. So make sure to share to your friends. Make sure to share to your friends, okay? So share to your friends, invite them to the Phoenix Creed community live stream every Monday morning. Make sure to invite one person or two persons. Tell them to join and they should see for themselves. So join guys and send to your friends also to join. Good morning, Jeremiah. How are you doing? Happy new month to everyone. Happy new month. I hope the month of August was a nice one for you guys that traded. I mean, I didn't trade though. Make I paste wallet when I show love. Should I paste wallet so people will show love? The people that traded for the month of August. So let's wait for people to join. Yeah, I mean, August is not always funny. August is not always that nice because from June, July, August, that's when there's kind of like vacation in the market. Most big traders are not are not in the market, so there's no much volume and volatility. But you guys will see for yourself how the month of September would look like. Do you understand? You guys will see it for yourself. You guys will see the reason why I said I don't want to trade during month of August, and you see how the month of September looks like. Okay, so you all will see it. So okay, so wait, guys, give me a minute. A minute. Happy new month, guys. So So our watch list for this week is going to be gold and GBP USD. Okay, I'm not trading too much things for this week. Just gold and GU. That'll be my watch list for this week. That'll be what that's what I'm looking out for. Do you understand? My watch list is just basically what I'll be analyzing with you guys. Can you guys see my screen? Okay, good, great. So, like I said, my watch list is just going to be XAUSD and GBP USD for this week. You know, it's the beginning of the month, and I don't want to be everywhere. I don't want to be here and there. I just want to start my month very easy, very stress free, and profitable. You understand? So I don't want to be here looking at this pair, looking at that pair, looking at this, trying to do so many things at the same time. No, I'm not interested in that. Okay, so I'll just be looking at gold. You guys know that I trade mostly gold, and that's what makes me my bag. Do you understand? So if you know what makes you your bag, you stick to it. So we'll be looking at gold and GBP USD. So let me clear out this chart. So let's reanalyze on gold, right? It's a new month, new chart, everything. Come into the market with a fresh mind, no stress, no pressure. Um, I mean, for those that followed me and didn't trade for the month of August, you guys could have learned one or two things concerning patience. Do you understand? Concerning people, because if you can sit on your hands throughout the month of August, trust me, there's this level of patience that you'd have right now, that you know that yes, you can tell yourself that you do something and you actually do it. There's a feeling that comes when you tell yourself that I want to do this, and you end up doing that thing you tell yourself you want to do. That's the patience. That's the feeling of discipline. Do you understand? Feeling of integrity. Like you can tell yourself something and you do that thing. So all these things are part of the things you learn psychologically when it comes to trading. So for those of you that didn't trade for the month of August, this month is going to be a great month. That's what I assure you guys. It's going to be a great month. We'll bag a lot of money this month. I'm certain of that. I'm very certain of that. So let's analyze. Let's see what's happened during the month of August. Okay. So basically, price has been ranging, right? So you guys have seen that finally we have seen that breakout. Am I making sense? Finally, we have seen that breakout. So basically, you can't really say it's a breakout yet. Am I making sense? You can't really say it is a breakout yet until you see a valid, break above this move. Remember, I told you guys the last time we analyzed, right? I told you guys that we are what this daily time frame is basically giving us what is an ascending triangle. Am I communicating? This daily time frame is basically giving us what an ascending triangle, and you guys know what an ascending triangle is, right? Overall, gold is bullish. Am I making sense? Overall, gold is bullish. So now we're analyzing gold based off of what this 4 hours time frame, and sorry, based off of this daily time frame. Am I making sense? So now this was the resistance that was respected multiple times. Okay, and the reason why price was consolidating inside of this area was based on the fact that there was not too much, or there was not much volume and momentum in the market to be able to break above that area. That's why we've been trading inside of the consolidating phase for close to April, May, June, July, August, September. 6 months. April, May, June, July. April, May, June, July, August. Then okay, September. Okay, 5 months. Sorry, 5 months. We've been trading inside of this area for like 5 months, 4 5 months. Do you understand? So um it's just based on the fact that big traders and institutional traders are not in the market. You can even go and make your research, right? They've not been trading. It's been like it has been holiday. Most banks are not trading this and that, so price has been consolidating. But August, beginning and middle of August is the end of summer. That's when price. That's the most volatile time in the market. Am I making sense? Now we've seen that price has successfully broken out of this our consolidating phase that we have been waiting for since, and we are seeing some kind of like third touch, one, two, and three around this area and a break. So basically, I wouldn't really tell you guys price has broken above it, because understand that this is still an active candle. Am I making sense? This here is still an active candle, and you cannot make decision based off of an active candle, right? So this active candle can still, at the end of today, close bearish, and I mean still consolidate inside again before it breaks out. Am I making sense? So an active candle have to first of all close before you take a decision on that, on whatever you're doing based off of the active candle, right? So I need to see this candle still close, then I'll validate my break above this area. Okay, once I see this active candle close, I'll validate my break above this area, then I continue I start trading. Now I know that, for one, I already know that um volume, the volume, right, is bullish, right? The volume of September, the market started the volume with a bullish move, right? That's one. Secondly, momentum is bullish. Why? Because price is trading above the moving averages. Then now what do I have to do? Is just to go to the like minor structural time frame and look for higher lows to take advantage of. Am I making sense? It's very logical, it's very easy. Understand what is going on the higher time frame, right? Then go to the lower time frame and get and get the build up of that thing, so you can be able to take advantage of it, because you cannot be on that higher time frame and say you want to take advantage of what is happening on that place, because before anything happens on higher time frame, probably like 100, 200, 500 pips would have happened before you are even seeing the move. But time frame, before that move happens, you've already started seeing the formation of the move. Am I making sense? So what you are doing on the higher time frame is basically using the past market data to understand what could be. Do you understand? You are using the past market data to understand what could be. And now, if you finally understood what could be, then now you can be on the lower time frame to take advantage of and to take advantage of what would happen in the future. Am I making sense? I don't know. Am I communicating? Now you understand let me repeat myself. You're on that higher time frame to understand, to use the past market data. That means the move that's already happened. You want to understand, okay, what could actually happen now, or what is the market actually saying overall, right? Now, once you've seen it, you know that the market is saying we are still in buys overall. Then now you want to go to that lower time frame to take advantage of that, what that higher time frame is saying, right? Because with the lower time frame, that is where the formation happens, build up happens, and you want to be in the move. You don't want to enter the market after the move, because everything that happens on the higher time frame shows you after it has happened. Am I making sense? So on our daily time frame now, basically what I'll be looking out for is just for price to break, for price to give us a double candle close around this area. Then I'll validate my support, my resistance has been broken. For dynamic resistance, price is basically trading above moving average. Let's go to the 4 hours and see. On our 4 hours, price just basically started trading above the moving average, to show you that what this are you guys seeing how this candlestick closed, right? This candlestick is this like price needed that momentum, right? That momentum candle to be able to break above the structural resistance and dynamic resistance. You guys saw how, and I think this thing was news, right? Immediately, I think when I saw this candle, that was when I knew that, oh, I think gold is up for the buys now, right? But I didn't take the buys because, for one, I already told myself that I'm not going to take trade this August. You get, and I'll be a fool when I say I don't want to do something, I'll end up doing it. That's even me self-sabotaging myself. Do you understand? I'm sabotaging my own discipline, right? So I needed to just see price do all this whole trekking. All these things that you guys are seeing is trekking. The main move has not even started happening. Trust me. Once when you guys start seeing the main move is gold moves are very, very crazy. All these things are just, see how weak these candlesticks are. Little, small candlesticks. Sorry, let me zoom this. So small candlesticks. So this little candlestick now is one full is 4 hours. So it took 4 hours for this candlestick to close. 4 hours, 4 hours. Are you guys seeing weak candlesticks? So in this kind of if you're in this kind of uh, um if you are trading this kind of session, you would see yourself staying so much in the market for you to be able to catch a single move, because this small move is just 4 hours. So you have, let's say your TP is around here, or maybe around here, you have to wait for how many hours? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, almost 24 hours or 2 days for. Can you guys hear me now? If you guys can see me and you can hear me, go to the comment section, let's and tell me so I'll know. Oh, good, great. I think the network was network. Can you guys see my screen? Can you see my screen? Can you see the chat? So basically, this is it on gold for me. I'll definitely want to see, I'll want to see price give me some kind of retracement, after giving us all these break, all these structural break and off areas like this, areas like this. This is a major 4 hours break of resistance, right? So I would love to see price give me some kind of retracement and a pullback. Then from there we can finesse the gold move, right? So, but for now, I'm sitting on my hands and I'm waiting. Do you understand? I'm sitting on my hands and I'm waiting. Trust me, when everything is set for the buys, someone said it's not clear. Is it not clear? Is it not clear? Is it still clear? I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's the network. Not clear. I don't know. Probably it's the network. We are having a little network issue. I'm not